Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video. Today we're making tamarind balls, guys. We're gonna show you how we do this. Here we go. Yeah, so we're just, what are you doing? Shelling this because we're gonna be making tamarind balls.
So we sugar.
So we're just taking, yeah, I'm gonna get it in a second. So tell me what you're doing.
Yeah, shell it tamarind bar.
Yeah, so you're shelling the tamarind. Make sure you don't leave anything on it. Any little. So you have to take off the hard shell and leave the inside fleshy stuff, or the fruit inside. That's what we're going to be adding sugar to, making a nice little tamarind ball. So right now this fruit is very sour. So when we so when we add the sugar into it and make a nice tamarind ball, then that would definitely change the taste. So we're gonna shell this and then we're gonna come back and show you the process. We have all the tamarind here, like this, seeds and everything in. All right, so we're putting some sugar on. How much sugar are you using?
What does 2 small?
About two tablespoons. And we're gonna put
a salt.
a bit of salt.
To just make it do not spoil.
The salt preserve it.
Right.
It won't thing. All right. So this is where all
So
the
we're going
magic.
to mix it in.
Yeah. This is where all the magic happens. As I said, these tamarinds are very, very sour. So adding some sugar with it will make it taste much better. All right. So here's the magic.
Where's the magic now? You're going to rub them like this.
Yeah. Roll them in a ball. Yeah. Some of them you just have to squish up, right? And roll them in a ball. You can make giant ones as well, right? You can make them bigger. Yeah, see how simple, quick, right? So I know, I think it's tamarind season. A lot of people showing up with tamarinds now. So make yourself some tamarind ball. It makes great snack, especially if you like munching on something sweet. This is a great way to use up tamarinds, right? So make yourself some tamarind balls today.
Didn't you have something to put them in?
You know what? I brought the container first. Just put them. See, perfect balls. All right, perfect balls. I'm gonna go get. So here they are. Ooh, I'm just gonna taste one. That tastes like tamarind ball. Now, you can add some hot pepper to this if you want to. Make it a little spicy.
Yeah,
It's up to you. That was an accident.
Somebody wants some.
Well, I don't think everything I found. Yeah, that was an accident. Well, way too much sugar. Yeah. See? That's how they're supposed to look. Just really simple. If you have children, get them to help you to make these. They're very simple to make, and these are tamarind balls. Yep. Nice balls. Simple. Right? Roll them into a ball in the palm of your hands. That's what I meant to say. Yeah. So balls. Right? Yep. If you're familiar
So
with,
you bring the salt, sugar and those.
you sprinkle some sugar in this now.
Like how you do that?
Right. You can roll them in some sugar when you're done, right? And get them sugar coated in sugar like this. Yeah. So once you made the ball, just roll them in some sugar. This just makes a great snack, as I said. It's sweet. So eat them sparsely, but so good. Yep. Can't say you didn't learn a lot. Right? You've learned quite a few things now. So this here would be like a, you know, a treat for us, a candy sort of thing, a snack for us here in
You
Jamaica.
want
Hmm?
you want something? We just rub your palm. You sit down and mumble. You watch TV.
Oh, yes, yes, that's such a great idea. If you're looking for something to do when you're watching TV, just um, roll up some tamarind balls. Thank you for watching, my friends. You'll see us in another video.